we'll guide you through how to get the Demon Slayer mod in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a super cool mod, so let's go and get started. First of all, go and close out of Minecraft like so. Here we are on my desktop, and what we need to do is go and open up a web browser. I'll go and use Chrome, but you could use another, it doesn't matter. Come into a search engine and you want to go and search for Demon Slayer mod like so. You want to come to CurseForge, it's where I get my mods from, and here we are. So you can scroll down and go and read some information about it. For example, here we can go and see it's going to add decorative blocks, weapons, armors, and food. So what we can do is go and click on files like so, and then we can go and scroll down. There's quite a few to choose from here, but the main difference is going to be the version and the game version. Personally, I like to get the most up-to-date version for the latest version, which is going to be this top one here. So we can go over to the right and go and click on the three dots and click on download file. Now to go and run this, we need to get a mod loader. If we come back here, we can see we need to go and get Forge, it's the one that supports. So we can come back to a search engine, and then all you need to do is go and type in Minecraft Forge like so. Then come to the Forge site. You want to come over to the left and we need to go and get it for the version we got it for. So in this case, I got it for 1.20.1. So we can select that on the left and we can then get the installer. So I can click installer and you'll then be taken to an ad wall here. So if you see a download button, it's going to be for the ad, it's not for Forge. You need to go and click on the skip button in the top right and it will then download. Before we start the install process, a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server, and at the moment you can get 30% off your first invoice. So there'll be links down below in the description and the pinned comment. It's a great way to go and start playing with your friends, and they've got so many awesome features like one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support so you can get the help anytime you need it, amongst many other things as well. So as I said, there's a link down below you can go and check out. But to continue with the guide, go and open up your file explorer. You can go and open it up and come to your downloads. So what we need to do is go and run Forge. So you need to go and double click on it like so. Now, what we need to do is if this doesn't go and open up is go and get Java. Maybe it doesn't open up or something else happens. So all you need to do is go and open up a web browser and go to java.com, go and download Java and install it. It's super straightforward. Then return here and you want to right click on Forge, hover over open with and click on choose another app. You can then go and select Java and go and select always. Then it should go and run hopefully. If it doesn't, you may need to do something called a jar fix, which we've got a video on. Once you've got it open, select install clients and press OK. When it's finished, you'll get this pop-up and you can press OK. And what you need to do is go and open up the Minecraft launcher like so. In the launcher, go to the top and click on installations. You now need to go and scroll down like so, and you need to find Forge. Hover over it and click on the file or folder icon to the right, and you can then scroll down and go and find mods and go into it. If you can't see the mods folder, you can create one by right-clicking on some blank space, hovering over new and creating a folder and naming it mods. Now what we need to do is go and drag the mod in here. So come back to our downloads and I can click, hold and drag it in like so. Now come back here into installations and find Forge, go over to the right and click on play and we can run it. If I go and open up my inventory, I can use the arrows at the top and we'll go and see these different sections. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.